Procore file sync failures are usually caused by connection problems, outdated software, permission issues, or temporary sync errors that stop files from updating correctly. By the end, you'll know how to troubleshoot Procore when documents, photos, or project files fail to sync. Start by checking your internet connection. Procore needs a stable connection to upload and download project information between your device and the platform. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test whether your network is causing the sync problem. If syncing works on another connection, your original network may be the issue. Next, check whether you are signed into the correct Procore account and project. Sync problems can happen when the wrong account, project, or user profile is active. Confirm that your account has permission to access and update the files you are trying to sync. Procore permissions control what users can view, upload, and modify. If you are using the Procore mobile app, check for updates through the App Store or Google Play Store. An outdated app version can create problems with syncing. Install any available update and restart your device before trying another sync. This refreshes the app and clears temporary issues. If you are using Procore through a web browser, refresh the page and sign in again. Browser sessions can sometimes lose their connection to the platform. Clear your browser cache and cookies if the issue continues. Stored browser data can interfere with web-based features. Check whether the sync failure affects one file or multiple files. If only one file fails, the issue may be related to that specific document or file type. Try syncing a different file to compare the results. This helps identify whether the problem is the file itself or the sync process. If Procore shows an error message, save the exact wording. The error message can help identify whether the problem is related to permissions, connectivity, or the platform. Restart the sync process after confirming your connection permissions and app version. A fresh sync attempt often resolves temporary failures. If files still do not sync, contact Procore support through official support options. Provide your device type, app or browser version, project name, file details, and the exact error message. Avoid removing files or reinstalling the app before confirming that important project data has synced successfully. Unsynced changes may not be saved. The main fixes are checking your connection, verifying permissions, updating Procore, testing individual files, and contacting support when the issue continues. To recap, Procore sync failures usually come from connection issues, account permissions, outdated software, or file-specific problems. Your next step is to check your account access and update your Procore app before moving to support. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other construction software troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.